Hello and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. So if you're looking for an AI platform that you could use to navigate and do your voiceovers on your projects, I'm going to show you a particular platform that could do exactly that. So all you need to do is search Elevenlabas. Here you go, Elevenlabas. Click this one. It's a software company. So basically what Elevenlabas is, it's an AI platform where there's a bunch of artificial voices right there that you could use, so you could, do the voiceovers of your projects or whatever. So in this platform right here, there are multiple languages like French, Korean, Indonesian, Italian. The list goes on and on and on. And right now, let's do this. I'm going to give you a sample on how to use this right now. So let's just go. And there you go. Once you have that, you're just going to press play right here, the one that says play.
Hello, my name is Robert.
There you go. It's that easy, and it's very convenient. Like if you're having narrations on your videos that you like to have a voiceover with, then this is the perfect platform for you. So I hope this video has been a help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tricks Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.